To customize icons in status bar on Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down until we find notifications and status bar, and then you can customize icons display. From here, you can change the number of notifications icons shown. So here I don't have any notifications currently, but you can change how many icons will appear right here next to the clock when you have multiple of them. So we can select none to hide them, one icon, or up to 3 icons. You can then enable or disable system icons like DND, alarm, roaming, silent mode, and etc. that will show up right here in the top right corner of the screen. You can also enable or disable widgets for connected Bluetooth devices, for example your earphones. And then if they also support it, you will see a battery icon for your headphones or earphones. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.